And the style as I'm ya bamboo putting on. Kogita God.
The genre is like hip hop soul, ex Maskandi, yeah, bo. So that's how I've been chilling a lot with the Maskandi guys. I make soul. So unconsciously, umzimba wami uyowayithatha leya flavor umaskandi. Cause nami ngirealize late no man, khona le finesse enginayo because I can make beats and I can engineer my own vocals. I start making the beats. I don't have to finish it. If I can have just that feeling, oh, this beat feels a certain way, I'm already done. Even if it can be 5 minutes, I just lace the idea and then maybe brainstorm around in 10 minutes and then I just punch in. I don't even write. Because I feel like the minute you start and overthinking in music is not the one. Where would Blakey be if we didn't try and take his flavor? Because this thing, it's about not ukuthi sifuna ukufana naye siyambheka ukuthi yontwana you have something going on. Thina must jump on to those kind of sounds senzani naye siyampusha ukuthi yo this is the actual sound that's popping now. Because like it or not, bro, ama-pioneers, they don't get the credit kufana the guys who came after the pioneers. Unfortunately, that's the case. I feel like that's the biggest power I have, because we can't all be Scott Mapuma, guys. Like, serious, that's the problem I have with like people trying to start Amapiano. They all want to be stars, even if it means you have to be an engineer for Amapiano.
What's your story? Let's tell it like Sunday Times, the gonna cast, let's tell it live. What's your story? Let's tell it like and gonna cast, bring a cup, time for tea time. What's your story? Let's hear it right. Like Sunday Times, the gonna cast, let's tell it live. What's your story? Let's get it right. And gonna cast, the #1 music podcast.
Are we on?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Gonna cast, you back outside. How exciting is it to you outside, MP?
Hey,
Shit, we've been grinding these niggas good.
sifuna ngaphandle mfana bebangafuni nasifuna lapha ngaphakathi.
Yeah. 2025 was a great year for us. We'd like to extend our gratitude for your support, guys. We see you on the social streets. We see you on the comment section. Thank you. You don't know how much that clicking that like button and subscribe button really does for us. So keep doing it. All those have been with us from 2024.
2024.
Yeah, kudos. And the new subscribers coming in. Let's rock 2026.
2026.
Yeah. Just make things clear. Let's just make things clear.
Sure.
There are some motherfuckers out there. That stole our shit, man.
Yeah, they're biting our shit.
But anyway, we'd like to emphasize that Cornercast is our music. Nothing else but music, right?
Yeah.
We don't go into the gossip,
Yeah.
and all of that shit,
Yeah.
right?
We keep it strictly
music.
About the art,
Yeah.
nothing else.
That's why we are the #1 music podcast in Africa. Coining it. Yeah.
Sure.
Keeping to the tradition, we have our guest here. Introduce yourself, Manigo.
Yes, sir. Sadbonan Buffet too. Hope you guys are good. This is actually my second podcast. I'm really grateful to be here. I go by the name Sfiso, Kasbang Bizas Sfiso, also known as Fistola in the Cut. I'm a sound designer, producer, songwriter.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Let me just put you on, guys. Right? Cornercast was started by a bunch of creative motherfuckers. The team here. You know, we like to debate about music, get into like verses and verse, and we love music to a point to which we would sit in a corner and just talk about music the whole day, right?
Sure.
And the corner has a symbolic feel into it, right?
Yeah.
Everyone has a corner. Like it could be a physical corner,
Yeah.
or it could be at the shops, or it could be at the park, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So the corner is like the corner. The name corner, or Koneni, it has that symbolic thing, right? So that's what we are riding on, right? The corner is our constitution, right? The corner is our debating hub.
Yeah.
It separates the boys from men.
Yeah.
It identifies the strong and exposes the weak. At the corner, we have street smarts and book smarts, right?
Alala.
The corner is our Google,
Uh-huh.
our AI, our Chat GPT.
Yeah.
We separate the fact from fiction, right? This
Exactly.
is Shaya Nayo, and this is Ringiva, right?
Sure.
The corner is our high institution of learning when we get low, right? The corner is our rite of passage. The corner is our church.
Yeah,
The
man.
corner is our soapbox, right?
Yeah.
At the corner, we are sharpened in shape.
Yes,
With that
sir.
said, my nigga, who is at your corner? What is your corner? What in your corner made you to be the person that you are? And you doing the music, my king.
To be honest, man, I won't even lie. It's not even about ukuhlakanipha kwami and it's just the people around me, nje. My friends, abo. Mangilahleka bangitshela ukuthi mfana, you see le route oyithathayo, it's not the one. Try this route, yabo. So I feel like my friends are the biggest influence for me now in whatever I do now. Cause me being at the house ngizikhiyele lapha thinking I'm the shit, it won't work, yabo. So the power of collab is actually, it's working for me. With time, mfana, go outside, meet other kids who are actually way better than you, yabo. So you can learn more. So I think my friends are the biggest influence in my corner.
In your corner.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when did you catch the bug of music? When did you like, okay, me, I want to do music?
To be honest, I always been making music ever since from Eskel, but I was scared to actually go at the corner and get more information. Yabo. So as soon as after grade 12, so I got a bursary at Boston. I attended for like a week.
You squandered it.
Like, bro, they were saying, okay, upresa now. Really? Yabo, but I didn't show that arrogance and stuff. Yabo. But I had to ngihlale for a weekend, what can I get? But because of I already kickstarted my career, I was getting calls with yo, mfana, pull up, come record me. Yabo. So in 2019, that's when actually I started feeling this thing actually what's corner in their corner lana, yabo. So that's when I started meeting this other guy is Spanana about to Buddha Rock. So it was like, mfana, you need to go outside the house and meet more people, yabo. So that's when I actually can't important so bang recognize. That's when I got the confidence. Don't sleep on yourself. Yabo. Be confident, go outside and ask for help, reach out. Ask. Yabo. So in 2019, that's when actually emotion in court. Yeah.
Where are you from, G?
Ivory Park. Straight to Dustin.
Yeah.
Yes. Next nje ngibuye Ivory Park MA8 yabo. So yeah.
Okay. So what influences your sound?
I think that's easy. It's definitely my surroundings. Endlini. How I grew up, the music I was listening to.
You're gonna tell the same old story. Good time my dad was listening to music. I got influenced by his records.
To be honest, I know that's cliche, but my dad was a DJ. So when mabaqala ukudlala wherever babadlala and then baplug isound lapha endlini mina ngiyaya lapha ngi-CDJ ngithi nyana yabo. That's how I got to be exposed to those kind of equipment, and then I had to I took le mali yama registration that I was supposed to ngizule ngayo equipment. I'm a this man was supposed to help you do your school things, but I don't know how I took that risk. But ever since then, I never looked back, and it actually worked in my favor.
So you're also a producer.
Yeah.
You produce your own music.
Yeah. Initially, Vela was actually a producer of it.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Because I was going to ask you. There's this song, Mama Said.
Yeah.
It's your name there, but it's not who's rapping there.
Yeah.
Who's that guy?
It's Imran. Imran, this other guy I met in
That
Josie.
is dope, man.
He's too
What track is
much.
this?
Mama Said.
Mama say, yeah.
Mama Said, yeah. That was
Because I was confused. Is this you? Because when I said it's a different, the picture that appears a different
doesn't
guy, but the
match,
guy
yeah.
who's singing, who's rapping there is a
Yeah.
different person. Total
Yeah,
different
so
person.
like let me say 80% of the stuff is producing, and then the other stuff actually the reason why I started making vocals it's because I'm impatient really in general yabo. So I
multi feature.
yeah
that.
I'm chitang Valerie and I was like, you know what, that pana it's just practice, just keep going, you figure it out. And then finally last year I started making vocals and stuff, and the reception was fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in building your sound, right? Do you first get a beat and then write to the beat, or do you write? You have stacks and stacks of tracks just waiting for a beat. What is your creative process when you're approaching music, G?
So cause I can make beats and I can engineer my own vocals, I start making the beats. I don't have to finish it. If I can have just that feeling, this beat feels a certain way, I'm already done. Even if it can be 5 minutes, I just lace the idea and then maybe brainstorm around 10 minutes and then I just punch in. I don't even write. Because I feel like the minute to start and overthinking in music, it's not the one.
You're exposing yourself. If you say you don't write, fellas, do freestyle, you know. And it's okay, I take. I'm going to freestyle. Give him a beat, man. Pia freestyle, you know. Wow. So you don't write at all?
I don't write, man. I don't write at all. Not even one line, bro. Cause I mean, bro, like this thing I've been practicing for so long, so it doesn't make sense for me now. Still wanna go into the lab, try to act as if I'm still trying to see I trust myself. I know everything I touch is golden. So
I'm a title loser now, for the song. And then when you collaborate with someone and you don't write, so by on the same wavelength.
Yeah, which this is what
we're doing.
I feel like the song is gonna tell us, please name me this. Even when I write the song, I follow the song. I don't tell the song what to do. Like for real, trust me. So I follow the song. If you ingoma ithi what to go wami na eyasho ukuthi gogo. So the minute uqala ucabanga kakhulu, that's where it all goes wrong. Because so ucabanga ini audience yo lento bazoyithanda ngiyabayithanda. So the minute ucabanga swekhabatha.
Yeah.
There's times where kumele ucabanga kakhulu and there's times where you just need to be yourself.
How's your experience working with different genres? But when you send your bio, it said I'm a piano, but I didn't hear any Amapiano in your sound. It's mostly hip hop.
Yeah. Maybe we can start by describing your sound, because I think maybe so far since maybe you are hip hop, maybe slash ganani, but maybe you have a different, maybe you have a new genre.
I've been experimenting a lot. So genre is like hip hop soul, ex Maskandi, So that's how I've been chilling a lot with the Maskandi guys. I mix soul. So unconsciously, umzimba wami uyawayithatha leya flavor umaskandi. Because when I realize that no man, khona le finesse enginayo. So eventually, listen to Mazihlangana with the international sound, with the Kasi flavor, it actually made a huge difference in my sound, because of you have to find a way who's a different guy from the rest of the guys. So I think me tapping into different genres helped me come up with like different sounds. Okay. So I can say trap, Maskandi, soul.
Is it similar to what Black Diamond is doing?
Yeah, to be honest, bang influencer kakhulu in terms of how they made it possible. This thing you can record on a Ghana beat with your Xhosa lingo,
Yeah.
which brings out a new flavor. So I can say Black Diamond really influenced me a lot. Because vele ngikhule ngibamamela vele back in like something like 2019 when they dropped their first album. What's that album? Ngola or Read. Yeah, so I was ngibamamele kakhulu amajika lawo.
Yeah.
But at that time I wasn't aware ukuthi I was actually learning from them. So isikhathi masihamba nami ngiyabona ukuthi oh shit influence kuya la. Yabo.
Awashaya amapiano ne?
Amapiano, I do make amapiano. I've actually made more money amapiano than hip hop.
Yeah, but those tracks are not there though. I looked for them. Shit.
Yeah, so how my approach is like we can't all be stars, man. Yeah, bro. So even if it means you have to help your friends to shine. Yeah, bro. I feel like that's the biggest power I have. Yeah, bro. Because we can't all be Scott Mapuma, guys. Like serious, that's the problem I have with like people trying to start amapiano.
Yeah.
They all wanna be stars. Even if it means you have to be an engineer for amapiano. Because now amapiano I'm benefits in what? Because I'm a sound designer. Most international guests they ask for amapiano. Can you make amapiano? Because I'm sure
We sound
designer.
So how you explain it?
So I create sounds for movies and I make songs for movies.
Which is there a movie that we know?
Not yet. So now I'm currently working on my first movie. It's a local movie. Hopefully I won't disclose the name, but it's
Shy porn idea. Ding ding ding.
We have again.
Let go. Let go. I'm not gonna lie. Now, respect. They in business. Yeah.
I know we do get a lot of respect though. So standout projects, dogs.
Yeah.
Ngaba yini lalela. What has each of these projects teach you? Because they are standout, dog. Like
cause I think when I dropped Ngabe Yini, initially it was my song, but I figured sometimes collab it exposes you to different audience. So I was checking on the internet who actually can fit on my sound, and then I found La Capra, and then I found CK, and then they do two different things. I was like, you know what, CK. He's big into the TV.
Like Messenger.
Yeah,
I was surprised when you bought it right now.
Exactly, and then La Capra is in the streets, and Mina, I'm the producer. Yeah. So I was like, you know what, chance, let's tap in, and then let's push it right there. And then it went actually. Yeah. So I was tapped into a different audience. After that song, I was actually getting more calls, to be honest.
Yeah.
So I collab, man. I always preach collab to Amachi.
Yeah.
Puma, ngicela usizo majideni yabo. So yeah, Ngabe Yini, and then Lalela. Lalela also, my friends been telling me, you are too hip hop boy. Mele ucabangela bomagogo, ucabangela bomalume lapha endlini ukuthi can they actually listen to your sound yabo. So that's when I started to you know what, I think the music I'm doing is a bit high tempo, so I had to ngehlise leya tempo, so that's gonna be an easy listening song, and then also try and fuse amapiano elements with the hip hop thing.
But you fall more into hip hop.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. How do you feel about the state of hip hop currently? Do you think are you carrying the torch forward?
Or now you're fumble.
Never. I mean, personally, I feel like the state of hip hop is very healthy, man.
Really?
Why? Cause look, bruh, this thing in life, no matter wherever you go, you're still gonna face challenges.
Sure. And
you have to think on your feet and figure it out. So I like whatever's going on now because it makes us yo, what's the way out? Because these things are easy. So it's relax. Lento level on your span. So it's sense of music where hence man, there's a lot of different genres go hip hop. I like that because of what? That's how you actually get to be unique.
For real.
Exactly,
But
bro.
when I use about the sound at the same. I mean, like, ngathi kune template yaka Blakey, where everyone is following the melodies, the thing. That's a Blakey style.
Yes.
Right? Everyone, most of the people
Yeah.
are following. Nyakuzo okay, different. But I can see the Blake influence. And then there's this Pretoria thing.
Yes.
Right? 25K.
Yes.
You're rapping
Yes.
fast in your lingo, in that trap beats, right?
Yeah.
So for me, I don't see the differentiation because hence someone like Kane Kid would suffer because unique he raps. Understand? So I use those two styles. You get
Are
me?
you saying those are the only 2 styles in SA right now? Not popping.
It's popular. Those are the two styles for me. Be looking from the outside. Hence, if it's correct. But from me, from an outside, when I'm looking up, like, this sound, if foot makala calcula, foot maybe shy melody.
Yeah.
So
I'll
you play.
automatically I'll be like, Devin.
Yes,
Devin.
yes.
Same thing that happened the time we figure out who's this kid. Lobesi to sound and Jongo play kid. Remember the time? Usmama, the same thing. I'm a coil and I will say you feel that, but when you listen to them, guys, you a difference. But they not even peck of that sound.
Yeah, you're right, bro. 100%. But think about it. Where would Blakey be if we didn't try and take his flavor? Because this thing, it's about not ukuthi sifuna ukufana naye. Siyambheka. Ukuthi yontwana, you have something going on.
Yeah.
Tina must jump on to those kind of sounds. Senzani, naye siyampusha ukuthi yo, this is the actual sound that's popping now. Because like it or not, bro, ama pioneers, they don't get the credit. The guys who came after the pioneers. Unfortunately, that's the case. So I feel like it's good wave singing so that it's gonna grow and it's gonna benefit everyone. Because me have benefited from Blakey's influence.
Okay.
So what if bengayilandelanga? Mina different. Mina ngenza into yami. Yabo?
Sure.
It's like if back influence I'm a cheat, it's fine, bro.
This nigga is telling us that originality is whack.
No.
You have to follow the thing. Like,
no, bro.
In hip hop, isn't it like being? Isn't it
It's
about
like,
being original?
Okay.
Frowned upon.
Okay, tell me. Tell me who came up with their own sound by Qalile azanga influence umuntu.
No.
Who? Just tell me one artist.
No. There's influence and then there's ugumkopa directly and you like, I mean, you sound like.
But I feel like we influence ukopa. And
no,
there's nothing wrong with Kopa.
Okay, for
there's
me,
nothing wrong with Kopa, bro.
For me, I would say Matler is unique.
But
the way he came.
But because of you don't know ukuthi kaslakhe abobana bayiqalile. Just because of you're popular ngaye, you don't know ukuthi abobana bayiqalile.
No, I'm just saying
they never get the credit.
But the sound a mainstream, a popular, we popularizing. He came in as an outsider and then he made his own lane. Yes. Right now there's a lane. You know a Matlera would come through. Yes. Any song, you don't know who to expect. If you feature him on the Faggy beat, you don't know what style is gonna bring. That's the style that he brought. He's a unique person. That's what. Same the time Suzu play, the first time we were like, yo, Skalo okay, hands it catch on.
But you don't know who say Rumini, Begnabobani.
It's like Java sells influence your Black Diamonds.
Yes.
But they don't sound like it. They don't. You Black Diamond, they follow sound like it. And now I feel like same thing. Hence me Mangalo uzama melodies. Automatically it's Devin.
Yes.
Devin style.
Are we playing it safe? I think maybe that's like an artist doesn't want to go out of the prescribed run of the mill. You want to play it safe. You want to, okay, this is what's popping. So now I'm going to release it so that I'm safe and I can make money out of it. Instead of being unique and trying out something new, which is going to take time to thingy.
Not really, man. I mean, like automatically as a human being body, wherever influence akayitholayo somehow izohlangana neyakhe and it makes a different outcome.
Sure.
Hence nami ngisho ukuthi yes there's amajita influence but eventually I never sounded like them. Ekugcineni ngiyaba ne flavor yami. Yabo. I feel like don't be scared to copy, especially amajita sekas. Don't be scared to copy. Like for example, bheka se rap ntwana.
Yeah.
Yabo abo 7 ngiyaspana nabo abo 7 manje. I'm trying to yabo ngibasize wherever I can. But you see that leyankani leya ukuthi intwana thina asifani nalezi zama cheese boy lezi ya.
So abafuna isound ukushisha isound.
Exactly bro. If uBlack uyoshisayo dog asimbhekeni apho si embrace isound lakhe. Eventually now as da endlini uzothola isound lakhe different because akekho umuntu original, trust me, nothing is new under the sun. It always comes somewhere. Trust me.
There's nothing new under the sun.
There's nothing new under the sun.
Word of the day. There's nothing new under the sun.
Like trust me.
Special.
I see making it worse. So tell me, dog, most of your tracks you Ushama collabs and you usually featuring CK. Is it Uncle Nero?
Yeah.
Uncle Nero.
Yeah, so mina
You believe in collabs?
I believe in collabs because that's what's making Amapiano be what it is today.
I believe
Yeah, I hear you there.
So I'm trying to imitate my strategy on Amapiano, Shama Camp, biza whoever, even if umuntu uyabhala or lo munye ufaka isnack phela lo munye amastara, it's a group work. Hence nani la. There's a director, there's a sound guy. Angeke uyenze uyi-one that. So
do you think it works though?
It works.
Because nobody never feature. And it's called.
trust me, bro.
That doesn't work though.
It works
Because I'm
bro.
worried. Especially I'm looking at Makwera. You see how many there are. Like, Zipa Liz. I just hope.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Exactly.
Zipa, I hope they continue because you know with in a group there's about 2-3 about each other like
Yeah.
big success.
Beyond.
So I hope they remain the same. Mara usually ayenzeki leyo shandisi yabo. Ihlula abantu bayidu.
Eish. Yeah. So
imagine as a collective.
Yeah.
So this thing is like it's either uzoba uchama boy or uzoba a businessman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I'm a cheetah slam, they will know what's this thing, a business.
Yeah.
Ayo ukuthi manje ngifuna ukuba why mina yabo I'm the main guy.
Yeah.
So if buyers with lento business, they're gonna take off it and they're gonna have to write things down on the black paper. Yabo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ayintwana sebenza so if you breach a contract soba nenkinga.
Yeah, but that shit doesn't exist with black people, man. We
don't lie.
sign a contract.
Yeah, since ukhuluma ngamasipenda
Yeah.
nani ithi manje ingoma yakho ithi ka.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ngofuna ikhat number
That's true.
mhlawumbe mara
That's
bathi
true.
uyabheka ngithe hola
Yeah.
so
Yeah. Even me now I'm going through that now. It's like mangicela ifeature machiteni maybe bayangigaya ngoba bazi ukuthi sihlanganise obani angigaya nje. And then when it's time ukuthi ngikhiphe ingoma ngithi eshintana ngicela ama details wakho so I can register the song. Niggas like it's fine bro. Because the song won't go anywhere.
yeah
So inkinga iqala la.
yeah
I want a vision amachito ukuthi hey this song can be something. Even if ucabanga ukuthi it won't be something, just be on a safe side because you never know.
yeah so ngokubuza ngama feature how does it work do they want to be paid am artist or is it bathi network type of thing ukuthi kana spy siyobona masisibona.
I mean, I've never paid for a feature in my life.
Nola Cabra vele.
And I don't think I'll ever pay a feature in my life.
You never paid feature?
Never.
Oh, yakapa bayabantwana.
I never paid for a feature. Because abantu kuqala i-target market sami ngiyayazi. Ukuthi ngi-approach abobani. Approach umuntu uzo-understand ukuthi oh shit usitole ebamba i-vision. Oh shit sekathepa in la. Yabo. So angeke ngilanda umuntu ozoba irrelevant. For example, ngilanda uCass but just because of he's big. Yabo, the song needs to make sense. So whoever I'm gonna approach, they know very well with oh, this thing I know for sure is gonna work. So abantu engiba feature ne strategy.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
just ngoba umuntu popular. Nah.
So let's say you wanna do a track, you wanna feature me and Men P. Yeah.
Mhm.
Just take us through the process. How does it start?
Mina athi ngifuna hayi
How does just give us the creative process? How does it start? Do you start with a beat and like just the process of the whole thing?
So, how I make my sessions, I like to make people comfortable. So, ngibize edlaleni, ngidlalela amatrack wakho, understand ukuthi uva. Nami ngidlalela stuff sami, understand ukuthi ngiva. Ngibuza ukuthi mntwana, how have you been feeling lately? Yabo. So I can know ukuthi ngithepha in go. Said I will make you a very like sad type of chord, yabo, or a happy vibe. Yabo, nakhona it depends ukuthi whatever lento soyenza sizoyikhipha nini. Towards the end of the year or beginning of the year. Because beginning of the year, when I have to put the shy into the soft, I'm over the times and stuff. Yabo. So I'll make the beats before I even finish. Just that 4-bar loop. I wanna ask you, does it move you? If it doesn't move you, we move. It doesn't matter what I feel or not. It's not about me. It's about us. Even if I span and scratch, I'm gonna make the other one until we inspire.
Yeah. So we color from scratch or
From scratch. Most like sample. Because I've been studying a lot of AKA. So
what all good sample?
So that's how, and then I'll make the beats, and then I won't even let you write.
Umzwile umthimba phela ufuna ubloom bam umzwile the intro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so ufuna ubloom bam. One work.
It's like even the biggest artists or even the biggest songs in the world, it's mostly amatrack angabhalwanga. For example, i-roll-up ka-MC. Because you must understand, ne? Ngaba iguru ku-music or ngibe hardcore ku-music, but kumele ngicabangele abantu abangawenzi music. So we have to make the simplest songs.
I want the people don't listen. It is South African market, as fully shut.
Yeah, anyway, it's complicated.
So melu be fair in terms of mawenza music. Ungayenza music for ama artists phela bazogcwala lela beat liyashisa lela, but alimameleki alidlaleki mawuthi
Fistola bekabheka interview akaKesp.
Yeah.
Wait, which one?
I don't make songs for rappers.
Yeah.
Who pay you with ooh ah.
Oh shit! And then that sadly ivari dog. Even from it design, like designing clothes, the biggest logos, it's the simplest logos. For example, in Nike, it's the simplest logo.
That's complicated.
Boy.
So for you, I guess you've answered this question. Let me just ask it anyway, right? For you, it's more about audience accepting you other than you personally expressing yourself. Because that means you're just doing it for the audience, right? You're not personally expressing you.
No, when I make projects, the audience I keep in my mind.
This man, what is this man saying?
No, like look.
Right? Or
No, look. That's in January. There's always a time and place for everything. So there's times where the audience I keep in while I'm maybe, let's say, starting the project and create. And then towards the end, that's when I can tap into the audience because like mazoqala uthi uqala into then ucabanga ukuthi abantu bazothini
Already.
It's shy. So it's best for me to have the skeleton of the project ngiqale so that nanoma ngathi ngiyaqala ngifuna ukuyichange I already started. So in the beginning i-audience angiyicabanga because angeke uyiqede lento ofuna ukuyenza because uqala ukuzicompare nabo Blake ukuthi uBlake yena uyami mina or abantu bazothina aish le sound entsha, people have never heard it, ngiyasaba ukuyenza. So in the beginning I always try and not ngicabanga audience kakhulu, and towards the end maybe mase ngizoyenzani sengifuna ama feature, maybe sengizomastera, that's when again sengicabanga audience ukuthi i-audience izofrost, because you know people bayithanda, you know the power of association, abantu bathanda ukubona ukuthi hey ischeme le hayi then khane bazofuna ukukulanda bayodlala stuff sakho yabo. So when it comes to the audience, that's why I'm collab, because I want to tap into an audience that different from these people I'm feature. So that's how I actually finesse it. I don't entirely don't think about the audience. Also, I don't entirely think about the audience. It's just balance. Balance is very important. So that's how I balance my public, whatever.
All right. What's your take on the SA music industry right now, and with AI just causing a lot of controversy and stuff like that? What's your take? Is AI gonna write us dope hip hop tracks? Are we gonna find ourselves having an MC that doesn't even exist?
Hey, I mean, it's already happening. You know, if
like lama tracks wakho ngisendele wona uyenzanga ntwana kusewa.
Shale ngathi
yeah.
Yabo, I mean, bro, if it's either you are against or spanner nayo, I think, because AI has been around.
It's been around.
Yeah, but it's just that now say manje seyenza kakhulu ke manje yabo. So even the FL, bro, like the softwares we use, the AI that I'm a prompt when you might go I'm a prompts this thing. It's just that manje abantu seba exposed to and the sevens and the misuse, because this thing it was meant to help you. It's okay. If maybe ustakile ikhona ukugaya ama tips and stuff. So I don't know, man. Ish in our AI. But mina, I'm not gonna lie. Mina ngeke ngizibhayizise mina. If it's gonna work in my favor, I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna lie, because abantu bazothina usiphanise AI ngapha ulambile endlini abakusizi ngokusiza abakuncedi intwana mara bayakujaja kuphela. So mina, if it's gonna work in my favor, I'm gonna use it 100%. I'm not gonna even lie.
You don't think it's gonna kill? I mean, you're a hip hop artist, right? You don't think it's gonna kill the authenticity and the sheer ngaring? You know, hip hop is about experience, telling a story of what you've experienced, and you know, we've always seen it to be that way. So if an AI hasn't got a human experience behind it, so wouldn't it that water the hip hop experience down?
Definitely. I mean, it's dangerous lento leyana, because now AI, so these ideas is we are AI, it comes from us. So if we are prompt alapaya, we are shy, it takes ideas from the songs that are already out there. So vela, I'm scared of that humanity is a loser, but that's where the human beings are gonna be saved, because AI doesn't have soul. It can like mimic a Java song, but you will feel with hey man, the emotion I feel it. So that's why you shouldn't use AI entirely. It should help you enhance your production. So I feel like it's gonna take time for AI. I don't think it will ever replace human beings.
But you didn't answer the other part of the question. What's your take on SA
hip hop?
No, music.
SA music.
Yeah.
Yo, mina, I like it so much because manje we are able to go on ama Grammy manje. Intana sekasi sekhona ukuni Grammy manje. And I feel like we deserve it. You shouldn't feel like hey, ubani bani uthayela industry plant or in bamfakile or in. It's time. It's time, bro. Because like, bro, trust me, blacks are the most coolest human beings on earth. Like
shout out like to the blacks.
Like trust me. Like, even from my actors to my musicians,
no, it's
blacks,
true.
they've been the coolest guys.
Yeah, creative.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, so angina ngasimangali izinto ezigrand masezenzeka ukuthi abantu bani sebayeza la South Africa asingathi bafuna ukusithathela ini. No, it's time, it's cards man. Thanks to amapiano. Yo, dala si struggle.
So speaking of hip hop, I saw recently ukuthi Cotton Fest ayisekho. Is there enough spaces for hip hop?
Hey man. Yeah, to be honest, manje, hip hop is not commercialized like that.
Yeah.
I feel like the biggest guys, instead of but complain, the new guys, instead they should help us.
Man can keep
They should help us instead of complain with 2014 bro. Even now in 2009. Bebakusiza abantu bebakusiza nawo ukuthi ungene yabo. So they shouldn't say abasa in they just have to mentor us basitshela ukuthi yabo, because now I feel like people just go on podcasts just to create the controversy and get views and stuff, which is not healthy.
Uzulu Mtimbano uyiqale kahle.
Exactly.
We ain't about that. We ain't about that shit. Yeah. So you done with your thought?
Yeah. So I would like to thank Amapiano because now
Ivula Imnyango.
Ivula Imnyango and ivulela Amapiano kuphela. Ivulela everyone.
Now everyone is recognizing South Africa.
Exactly.
They're blacks.
Exactly.
Alright. So what are you busy with now, Chi?
Yo, I started an EP 2 weeks ago and I'm done. I'm dropping it next week.
Name of the EP?
In Nkumbulu.
Yeah.
So
who you featuring there? You know we are feature.
Feature.
Dlala kanjalo. Mina ngisibhayizisa into mayisebenza ngiyayenza. So far I've got Fiji Makeba, I've got Betty Brown, I've got K Kid, I've got ABC, got Cass on it as well. Who else do I have in the
Cass?
Yeah.
Issue.
Shout out.
Yeah, I think for now, khona umuntu engimele. And then as soon as angisendela levels, I'm dropping that thing.
When are you dropping?
It's supposed to be next week.
You don't have an exact date?
Yeah, I don't have an exact date.
Okay.
Ngizovuka nje zingivukile. Drop.
Oh, okay.
That's how I do it, man. I don't think kakhulu.
Wacabanga my fans.
So are you signed or independent?
100% independent.
No one owns your ass.
Nothing.
How's
But
that
I'm not.
treating you, bro?
It's hard, mfana. It's hard. But yangifundisa ukuthi
Social zonke izinto. Driver yonke into.
yonke into.
Ujoma.
Yabo, because sometimes ngathi nginayo i-label, but sometimes ezinye izinto is just ukuzilabela nje and then yabo. Of course I do have people abangisizayo when it comes to finance, when it comes to studio whatever. So I can say I'm not 100% independent because I have people abangisizayo.
Since Mtimbano akubiza i-feature artist. Who's your dream collab?
Give
us 5 at least.
Dream collab. Definitely Java. Definitely Java.
Konakas loves Java.
Yeah,
Definitely Java. Please,
Mangaza
Hotman, if you're watching there, please, bruh.
Yeah.
Because I once met him this other time, no rap, but it was just of endlini, just bangitshela nje ukuthi how should you move and stuff. Ngibadlalela nje stuff esisha. So I'm not rushing it. I'm not rushing it.
Manifesting it.
Yeah, because it's another thing ukurusha izinto uthola ukuthi awukho ready and then 5 years later you are better now. And then ngistele opportunity. So izinto mazingayenzeki sometimes ngalesikhathi ngifuna ngazo. I don't worry because I'm still sharpening my skills. So by the time me and Java make a song, ngizobe sengivuthiwe kahle. Hayi, yabona manje I won't waste the opportunity.
Java.
Yeah, 100% Java.
The Hustler Vana, MT.
I dropped the song with MT was it last week? Yeah, last week. So I did engineering on that song. Yeah. It's Courtney's song XXC Legacy featuring MT.
What's the name of it?
Stay Alive.
Yeah.
So ngasho ukuthi ngispanile naye but ngifuna leya yabo. So I think I'm still building a relationship no, because abantu abafana no MT kumele mazuspana nabo ube so ready now ukuthi hayi sengright manje singasebenza.
You produce njani? Do you coach the person njani? I don't know so at least
mina
Uyabuyeka umuntu
brutally
afuna.
honest ke.
Oh yeah,
Ngiyakutshela
work
isibhayi esikwatile. Isibhayi esikwatile mfana zithi ngiyazizonda.
Yeah.
But years later I understand Shintwana actually cared, yabo. Because if uzo associate nami, I need to make sure that thing is proper because that thing is gonna stick to you for the rest of your life.
Aksu yes man.
Yeah, no. Hayi angiyenzi leyo. Yabo. At the end of the day business. Is not ukuthi my feelings washiya endlini business. So if ngiyakutshela udantana le ayisebenzi, angizondi ngifuna ukuthi enze into right. Yeah, but nakhona you should have a nice way to say it because abantu abafana. Khona umunye uthatha personal, khona umunye uzoyithatha as a constructive idea.
Do you have beef? Like, do you currently have beef with anyone? Because you know, the hip hop cats always have beef.
Maybe bakhona banayo nami, but I don't think I have unless by feel. But mina personally, as far as I know, I'm not beefing with anyone.
Yeah, hayi ungayenzi usafile.
Mfana uyabo ngizozikhawaza ngizozikhawaza.
Ezayisha after 10 years though.
Yabo, even if maybe I think khona umuntu unenkinga nami ngizom-approach umntwana kwenza because communication ibalekile yabo. Ngathi ukuthi silisa abantu thina sithu asile. Yabo, so it's best ukuthi ureach out umuntu ethi mntwana kwenzakalani ngibona into eso and then uzobona ngayo response yabo ukuthi and then if ba actel and then just stay away.
Step back.
Yeah,
right.
But as far as I know,
So on the EP we pay 2K Kid.
Yeah, there's K Kid. So I sent him this other song 2 days back. He's working on it, and then he just sent me a snippet. Is this direction fine? I was like, trust me, that's the pocket. So as soon as I send it a levels, we on.
What's your take on the time she was invited, got spaced out, but she freestyle and she
I mean, bro,
opted out.
Like I guess Nani before visa recession is shy.
No, not really.
Not really, but
we did.
no, not deep, but you have to to brainstorm, just browse, yabo. So I feel like okay, Kid. Before I actually show, begamele ba prepare ukuthi bampe ukuthi K-Kid ushaya style esinjani so music because K-Kid she's a melodic type of an artist. So I feel like it was irrelevant for her to because ukuamuza nina a rapper njengoba
kahle akakwazi, that's what you say.
Ayuthi akakwazi akayenzi
diplomatic.
You since you are kule new genre hip hop. Do you follow the 5 elements as a hip hop?
What are the 5 elements?
The freestyling,
MC,
the whole thing, libertine, b-boying, the whole culture, hip hop. Because the freestyle is part of each. I mean, if I'm saying I'm a rapper, I give more Shazon. Mangithi ngena manje kuyanywa. Again. Give me 5-16. No one guy 8 bar.
Yeah, uzosika nathi.
Yeah, uzosika. Uthi
because you should understand the style of music that I make, bro. Because I'm more of a singer, bro. For example, I don't have a rap song, and then if young bees and say rap, it's like rap, it's like ufuna Maria Carey rap. Like come on.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I feel like I have the 5 elements of hip hop. Which is graffiti, which is style. A unique style. Fashion. Nasendlini mama amabhruku angaka ndoda njalo mangiphuma amabhruku angaka yabo. Yeah, I have the confidence. I'm definitely a competitor. What else? That's 3.
MCing, DJing.
MCing.
What's the people?
Yeah, people.
I used to share Malento, but sin. Ngijikisa dustbin primary shaya amarayring yabo ngebreak yabo. Also I have a stage presence. I'm very confident. I know how to make people have fun on stage. I was performing at drama I think 2 weeks back. It was a maza yabo. So I feel like I'm not 100%, but there's always room to learn yabo. So I think I'm getting there for sure.
Yeah, in closing, my king, let me ask you just a simple question. Are you making it? Are you there?
I feel like I'm there 100%.
Alright.
Cause being there doesn't mean it's only man.
Alright.
Being there is mentality.
Yeah, you are seeing the light.
You seeing the light. Yabo. Akumelanga uzumele imali izifike. Cause not everything is about money. Uzoyithola le nyuku yonke. And then you notice ukuthi shit, I'm go healthy, I'm go confident, I haven't found my sound. Yabo pathu nemali. So me making it is not imali dog. Because making it mean I access. Access. For example, I had access at Avatar before even being a discovered artist. That's success to me. Being able to get in my rooms and they give you lele vessel, ungeko famous. That's success to me.
It makes sense. Alright, so where can people find you? Just here's a camera, promote yourself, my king, with your music and as we close.
Yo, shout out Bafetu, shout out to Konacast. So you can find my music in Spotify, Fistol in a Cut, Instagram, Fistol in a Cut, Twitter, Fistol in a Cut, Facebook, Fistol in a Cut, TikTok for sure, Fistol in a Cut. Yeah, for having me. Yo,
nice having you, man.
It was comfortable. Yo,
it was comfortable.
Yeah,
new song.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Big shout outs to you guys.
PE.
Somewhere in
PVT
Mfana.
One of the producers. Two producers.
Phela basithathela indawo la sihlala ukushutha khona. So
they are not us, but
they're not us, please.
Those are copycats, like Timber said.
Copycats.
Also, I hope you guys actually have a nice time going on in the next coming episodes. Hopefully, I'm really like rooting for you guys because the brief we're not the gossip type. I was like, actually, finally, there's some.
You heard it right. You heard it.
And I was on Paita, okay?
That's how good we are, man. That's how good we are, dog. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Konacast, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that like button. It goes a long way. I can't stress it enough. It goes a long way for you guys to subscribe, please. And thank you so much for your support.
Peace.
We are out.
Yeah.